Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another day's worth of trading. Today I did 6 trades, as you can see, and I am using my master scalper trading system. Today's date is June the 28th. Now on this day, about 6 o'clock in the morning, I got in front of the computer looking at a lot of different instruments, and I'm looking at my daily trade plan. And after I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll just manually put in this white arrow. It helps to remind me the direction that I wish to be trading. So after I'm done looking at all these different instruments, I also check out my daily trade plan. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, and time at the moment is about 10:30 in the morning as I'm doing this video. So this daily trade plan, after I've tried many different kinds of daily trade plans, this one so far is the best one I came across. It analyzes all the charts from the monthly down to the 30 minutes, and then after it does all the calculations within the comments here, it'll make suggestions. Look for bearish trades, look for bullish trades. Some are even preferred, as you can see, and sometimes it's running a little bit flat or generally not enough strength. Now if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. So on these trades, took them all before 8 a.m., closed them all out. Well, most of them except for this crude oil. I had to wait till it paid out. But I closed them all out just a little after 9, and the other one was around 10:15, as you can see here. And like I said, it's about 10:30, and I'm done trading for the day, getting ready for this long weekend. So now we can run a check on these trades. Some were 4x, and then the last two, as you can see, futures, the indexes, they obviously move a lot more and pay a lot more. But no matter what you love to trade, my master scalper works great. So let's drag and drop this first one up, see where I got in at. So trade setup did qualify for a great way to trade. Everything looking good. Scalper was saying to sell right there, super signal, the daily trade plan. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out at this cursor. Could have made more, but I knew I was going to be well over my aim. I usually aim for 200 or more pips and or ticks on it every day I'm trading. Looks like I locked in 24 pips here, and that paid out $166. And by the way, I had some traders asking what is the difference between my systems, and I do have over 50 trading systems. Well, there's a different indicator on the top and a different oscillator on the bottom, and that changes the rules on how to trade the system. The training videos are better, and that means a better trading system. That is why you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months until you find success. I still buy education 20 years later because I want to be a better trader. If you are not constantly buying more education, well, it's going to become very difficult for you to succeed at trading. Not only will you need a fair amount of education along with the daily trade plan, but you will be needing support if you want to succeed at trading. I can explain more in a free Skype call. Anyhow, moving right along. Next trade I did, Euro New Zealand. By the way, I sold everything today, as you can see on the type here. Another one was working its way down. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Arrow from the daily trade plan, the super signal. Soon as I look at the charts, right from 6 o'clock in the morning, I know right away it's going to go down with 95% accuracy. Here we go. Took the trade at that cursor. Closed it out happy, looks like with about 31 pips, and that paid out $188. Remember, you'll be needing a lot of not only education but tools to succeed at trading. Moving on now to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Market makes a move. Sometimes it'll go up, sometimes it'll continue down, but my system tells me which way it's going to go, which obviously is down. Here we go, took the trade at that cursor, everything screaming to sell. If I was in the trade still, it'd be up over 70, but I was happy with this 32 pips paying out $220. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound New Zealand. Here we go. Another one I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything was nice and smooth and good looking. And I knew it was going to go down. Daily trade plan was saying down. Well, easy decision to make. Just get in. Stop is reasonably small. It's only like 12 pips. If I was in the trade right now, it'd be 76. Very good return. But I was happy at this point. That's where I closed it out at 38. And looks like those 38 pips paid out $231. One of the main reasons I got into trading 20 years ago was I wanted to work a lot less and make a lot more money. And the average person works 5 days a week to have a 2-day weekend. Well, if I wanted to, I could work 2 days a week. Let's say Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. And I could have a 5-day extended weekend every weekend. Takes a fair amount of time to learn how to trade, but once you figure it out, trading becomes a lot of fun. And for me, it's also quite easy. And this is exactly the way I teach within the training videos, how to trade exactly this way. Moving right along, let's run a check on this crude oil. Crude oil, here we go. Pays $10 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up. Let's see where I got in at. So it was a no-brainer from the daily trade plan. Look at, got the arrow. There's this pop-up box right here. Put it out of the way, but this is it right here. This is the pop-up box. If I scroll back, it would show exactly at this time to sell. And there it is, crude oil right here. 7:45, there's the arrow, sell. Easy decision to make. Trading cannot be any more easy and fun than that. So, took the trade at this cursor right here. Since it pays $10 for each tick, easy to see that it should be 97. So let's go and run a check on that. There it is right there, 97 ticks paying out $970. Another tool that you should have in your toolbox is this master fib tool. Here we go, just click on it. You'll go from high to the low. That's a low right there. That's a high right there. It did the pullback right here. Hit entry number 2. And if it hits the entries, well, usually and most of the time it'll hit 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this particular day, it went even past target number 10. The reason why this fib tool works is that many traders, millions of traders actually, all over the world are using it. One of my trading buddies, this is all he uses. He says it helps him to find many successful trades. He knows exactly where to get in, and he has the targets. He just stay in a trade until you hit enough targets, and eventually just close out the trade. Now, if you have any questions regarding this fib tool, again, just get in contact with me. Let's run a check to see where I got in at, which was right at this cursor right here, and I closed it out down here, locking in those 97 ticks. So, on the next trade, DAX 30. Took the money, divided by $3.75, in other words 3.75, and calculator says it should be 460. Going to drop it down to the 5 minutes. Whether it's the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes, you get the same results. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at first of all. Here we go. Arrow from the daily trade plan. The master scalper right here was red. And daily trade plan. Obviously getting it in up here would have been better, but this is where I saw it, and I knew that it can do a bit of a pullback. That didn't bother me too much. So I took the trade at this cursor, and what does the calculator says? It's 460. So at one point I was up 750, but 400, that's 458. I don't think I'm going to get any closer than that. So from 458 to 462, so it's right in the middle. So it is, and the calculator says 460, and all of those ticks paid out $1,725. Love trading the DAX 30. So another great day of trading. Great way to end the week, going into the weekend. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Just look at the DAX 30. That was a lot. So anyhow, grand total came to 682, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,502. So if your system's not producing great results like my master scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions, well, all you got to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll see the word more. Just click on that banner and a window will pop up. You'll get my contact information along with a lot of other information. Now you will see my phone number, so it's easy. Just pick up the phone and call me. Now and I do answer the phone most of the time, unless of course I'm busy, and if not, well, just send me an email. Also, you will see a link for Skype. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you click on the link, we'll have a Skype connection. And through Skype, we can chat, and I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description, you will see 4 different packages. Do charge $250 each package, and I do have a special offer that if you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So just about time to wrap up this video, and of course if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Have a great weekend. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.